Okay, your name, sir?
Jacob Christopher Russell.
This is file 24F242298. So let me just reiterate what's occurred. On October 9th, you were in front of me and you pled guilty to count one, chemical testing, which is failure to submit on September 22nd. Then after a hearing, we had a hearing on count two, and I found you guilty of failing to comply with the treatment recommendation of the guidance center. Then I told them to for you to submit the weekly test. You're back here for sentence now. I'm getting the probation officer in here. You have the right to an attorney. You waived it before. You still have the right to a lawyer. Would you like a lawyer? Are you sure?
Yes,
All right. Did you go and test?
yes, sir.
Were you negative? How many times did they have you test?
Well, every week, so it's a month now, so I either 4 or 5, and then I've been going to weekly treatment to the guidance center,
That's good.
and he just released it yesterday. So I got that taken care of, and I believe he emailed Miss Casino as well. So he should have my release for the guidance center, and then I have the
So you're treating how often at the guidance center?
once a week,
All right.
weekly.
And you tested how many times since you were in here on October 9th?
5.
5?
Well, this is the 6th, correct? So that week. Yeah, 5 because I tested this week too.
All right, Mr. Sino, good morning. Your name?
You know,
Has he tested negative like he's telling you?
so then the sixth, he tested October 14th, 22nd, and 30th, he was all negative. And I did get an updated treatment report for him yesterday, and he attended all his sessions for the month of October.
Now listen, you want the good news or the bad news? The good news is you're compliant now. The bad news is you already got 5 technical violations now. Okay? That means you get another one. Actually, today I could send you to jail for 93 days. I'm not going to do that. But you got to start paying more attention here, okay?
That's right.
Would you like to say anything else?
I remember our last time meeting here, you guys just were like, all right, we're gonna have a follow-up like a month later. That do not miss testing and keep going to treatment, do not miss that. And obviously, it's not hard, so I did that. Finished testing, and even after this, I'm still gonna go to the dinosaur test. I tested, I think, Tuesday. So Tuesday, I tested this weekend. Like, I appreciate it. Like, you definitely could have gone a lot better.
So I've been too nice, but I haven't sentenced you yet.
No.
I'm not sending you to jail, but I'm telling you, I'm going to cut your breaks since you've been compliant since then. What do you think?
Well, I mean, at this point, he didn't finish the community service and court work program. He's actually set right now of it, and he would be completed November 22nd.
Yeah. So we got to extend probation. Because he's not done with treatment, right?
No, it's not done.
Sorry.
Okay.
He said if he has to email you, he already has release forms.
All right. So listen, you've had too many violations. I'm not letting you off probation.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm extending probation for 2 months until January 22, 26. I need you to complete treatment. You're going to pay additional costs of $75. You're going to serve 1 day on the court work program and pay $35 for that. And you're going to serve 4 hours of community service, which has to be due and completed by December the 20th. So you owe the court $35, you owe the court $110, and you have to complete 4 hours community service by December 20 and 1 day on the court work program, and you'll be on probation until January 22. So that's an extra $40, $20 a month in probation fee. So actually, you owe the court $150. Can you pay that today, or do you need time? If you need time, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
Paid by November 26th.
Okay.
Paid by November 26th. Okay, now listen to me. You seem like
Would you want to keep his testing on me?
Yes, and weekly testing will remain.
Okay.
Stay clean.
Yep.
Okay?
All right.
Weekly testing for duration probation. Thank you for reminding me of that. All right, so anything else, sir?
No, I need it.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Here, John. Leah Devon Boozer. 25T6444894. Your name, man?
Leah Bruiser.
You're charged with failure to pay $213 on a child restraint charge. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty and I find that your failure to pay was not without your fault, you could get 1 day jail for every $10 owed. So you could get 22 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You can satisfy that in full by payment, in full by serving the jail term, or in part by payment, in part by serving the jail term. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you work?
No.
Can you pay this today?
No. But I was coming because my kids are too big for a car seat. My
Oh,
kids are
hang on,
8
hang on. You went into default. I'm not going to relitigate this case.
Okay, I don't call to make a court date. Can't call to make a court date. You guys have an answer machine. Then finally, I got the court date.
And then you didn't show up, right?
This is the court.
No, this was
I got a piece of paper.
boy, the United States Postal Service must have issues. Lisa, would you please tell me what was sent to Ms. Boozer? You still live on Ropp Street?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please tell her what was sent to her?
Yeah, we don't have a request for a court date. She defaulted August 6th. 20% late fee went on September 25th, collection letter October 1st, and then show cause November 6th.
Yes, and I have been calling. You guys have an answer machine service to do a court date. I'm pretty sure you guys have me on your answer machine about 10 times.
I'm sorry, you left 10 messages?
Yes. Ever since this ticket, I've been trying to get a court date.
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what you do. Go get your phone bill. Go get. No, I want to see the calls that you listen. Just please listen.
Okay.
We don't make mistakes like that here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So if you want to go back and you want to get your phone bill that shows that you called the court 10 times,
Okay.
I'll be happy to set aside the default right then and there on.
Okay.
Just wait a second. Right there on the spot without requiring you to file a motion and without requiring you to post a bond. Okay? So I'll adjourn this 2 weeks. You come back with your bills.
Can we do that?
Do you have your bills?
I can pull it up on my phone.
Yeah, but this is not calling in the last day or two. You were supposed to call here by, but just please listen. You were supposed to call her by July 30. Do you have proof that you called here by July 30 and set up a court date? You said you called 10 times.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go get that proof. I'll put the file right here.
Yeah.
You have a bill. Okay, go check it out. I'd love to see it. Thank you.
We'll see what's going on with that.
You take the break.
What? He's supposed to go in to see.
I know he's supposed to see the prosecutor. I told him that. He was arguing with me out there. He had just said he wanted to leave, so I was arguing with him. Now he's at Heston's Court arguing with him. I'm gonna go, man. I'll hand him.
All he needs to do is go into the see the prosecutor. Oh, boy. Okay. Lisa? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
You don't need to, don't let them argue with you. If they have something to say, you tell them to come down and see me. This is nonsense. I mean, he shouldn't be treating staff like that or anybody here.
Yeah.
I
I
know.
ended up, yeah, okay.
I know it's
I was
not-
just
I'm
trying to
not-
explain the process, but you know how
I
that goes.
know. He's had multiple misses on those cases and he wants to. All right. We have anything else?
No, nothing right now. I could use a little break.
Okay, Let's take a 5-minute recess, everybody, okay? We're gonna go off the record. You stay seated. We'll be back here momentarily. Ma'am, I'll call your case as soon as I come up, okay?
Mr. Dillon.
Good morning. How are you?
Did you talk to Tony?
Yeah, I did. I was,
Okay.
yeah, on my way in. So whenever you're ready, it's fine.
Okay, that's fine. I just saw you lost connection there and I wasn't sure if you actually made it to the breakout room.
No. I zoomed in the car and then dealt with it. And then he said, all right, I'll give you a couple minutes to transition from the car to the office. So I'm ready.
Gotcha. Okay, be just a few minutes.
You got it. Thanks.
You think it's like we're software, we start hitting like these quick keys, and so it said, "Listen, I didn't want to hit me, it's giving me very close." What I did was I put in the name for Mr. Shaw, come here. Then I did the stop meeting and the next case, so that we have record.
Okay.
But I didn't want to hit it, because I didn't know where this click, but play at the end button. Okay,
I think I explained you, so I think then you should be,
right, able to continue.
should be
taking notes.
live, yeah.
I never turned it off, so just double check, okay. So I can probably update the notes here. And then just say enter, but I'll put in parentheses that his other case was called and what the start and end time was. And he's gonna recall it anyway.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, all right, thanks.
Yeah, I think when you're,
I
when
want,
you go back, it's still recording, you're just hearing. You're hearing it,
yeah, it was still recording.
Yeah.
But I was just worried, and I didn't know where that click had. You know, that that was not somehow record over the top.
yeah,
You know,
I know,
like, I'm just
Yeah.
gonna wait and do that.
then you'll go to where we are in live time.
Got it, okay.
Cool.
All right, yes, thanks.
When they call after that, will be disconnected.
No. Did you do that though? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good yourself?
Good,
2 files that are pretty good.
thank you.
Thank you.
Stay seated, please.
Go to the back stuff.
All right. Say no more. Aaron Russell, say no more. 25T646055. Okay, your name?
Aaron goes to same one.
You obtained your license. They're moving to dismiss. Motion of the prosecutor, case dismissed. I'm talking about the animal license. You're all set. Good luck. Ms. Boozer, did you need to see me again? Hang on. I gotta call your case. Leah Devon Boozer, 25T644894. You got those messages for me?
We'll keep getting call records for the last 50 days.
You didn't call. Ma'am?
Judge,
Yeah.
I did go through our call log while we were waiting. I do have a call from her on August 8th, which is past the due date. We left her a message with all of her options of a defaulted ticket.
Oh, I know I did.
Well, they went
Thank
to,
you, appreciate that.
that was late. And then they called you. Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
Okay, so you didn't call here 10 times and you didn't call within the time period. Why did I know that was going to happen? Listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
Be honest with me. Ma'am. You told me you called 10 times. You didn't call 10 times. You called after the due date. You were in default. They told you how to go about it and you didn't do anything. Now, I don't want to quarrel about this. I don't understand why people don't understand that you're going to get so much further with me when you're honest. I just don't like dishonesty. But that being said, let's put that aside. How much can you pay today on this?
I don't have nothing to pay today.
How are you supporting yourself? How are you supporting yourself?
I have like side jobs I do, but I don't have a job. So I can pay.
Do you have kids?
$25, yes, I do.
Is the father in their life? Is he paying you child support? Does he work?
I don't know.
Go to the friend of the court. These guys can't have kids and then not support them. That's not the way it works in this country. You pay 25 a week, you said?
Can I pay like $25?
A month?
and then whatever extra I can pay on it. How much is the total ticket?
You owe $213.
Okay.
I mean, you're asking a lot. This means it's gonna take you 9 months to pay this.
Well, I can do what I can. I'll be honest.
How old are your children?
8 and 7.
They're in school?
Yes.
Why aren't you getting a job when they're in school?
Yes, I just am young.
Gotta work. You don't want to be in poverty your whole life. I'll let you do this. You pay 25 per month beginning December 1. If you don't have the money, you call the court, you go on or before any due date, the first of every month. I expect you to pay 25. Or if you can't, you either come in here, drive in here at 8:30 in the morning, and I'll give you an extension when you ask for it, or you call the court. We'll go on Zoom at 8:30 in the morning, but you can't ignore courts like this, man.
Okay.
Okay? Good.
December 1st.
The first of every month, starting December
Do I
1st.
get something that I know how to pay it or?
Yeah, go down the hall. They'll help you out. They're busy down there, so just be patient.
In this courtroom, 3 different defendants walked in, but one powerful judge changed everything. First came Mr. Reyna, showing up for trial wearing a red jail jumpsuit. The judge didn't hold back. "If you ever come like this again," she said, "you'll go to trial in that red uniform." Her words hit hard, a lesson about respect, responsibility, and choices. Then came Jamal Coleman, standing before her after breaking probation again. When she asked, "Do you want to go to prison?" his quiet, "No, ma'am," said it all. But what came next silenced the entire courtroom. The judge looked Jamal in the eyes and said, "Your family's hearts break every time you use 'Nobody wants to be called to identify your body.'" It wasn't just a hearing, it was a message, a reminder that justice isn't only about punishment, it's about giving people one last chance to change. 3 cases, 1 courtroom, and a judge who showed that tough love can still carry a heartbeat.